Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I guess I'm gonna be doing a vlog. This was requested. I honestly haven't done a vlog in so long, you guys, because I honestly just don't think that my life is interesting. But anyways, yeah, so I guess you guys will be following me around today. Basically, it's just gonna be you guys running after my toddler with me. But yeah, today I have some stuff to do. I am going to take my sister to the mall because after her chemotherapy, she has to like walk around. Do you guys hear Josiah screaming? He's with my mom and he's eating his breakfast. I feel so bad for her sometimes when she has him because he's just so busy. I don't want to say bad. He's very busy. But yeah, she has to walk like half an hour every day, so I'm gonna take her to the mall, and then I don't know, I guess you guys can just follow me around. This is just a day in my life, a day in my very uninteresting life. So yeah, have fun. I'm gonna get ready, I'm gonna put makeup just because I feel like it, and I'm gonna get my son ready, and then yeah, so right now I just have to pick out what outfit for him to wear. Yeah. So I'm basically almost done getting ready. You guys, I have been super tired because I had planned a surprise drive-through birthday. Sorry, not birthday. I had planned a surprise drive-through like party for my sister to celebrate her last day of chemo, and honestly, it was just so successful. You guys, she was completely surprised. I had only planned one other surprise party before, and that was her baby shower, and she was not surprised at all. Like, she pretended she was surprised, but later on, like a year or two later, she goes and she tells me, oh, I saw in your notebook that you wrote a whole bunch of names and then you wrote Claudia surprise baby shower. So I was like, seriously? But this was actually a surprise, and I'll probably put a clip for you guys to see, and I'm just so happy about it. Everything went so well. But the thing with me is that, like, I felt like I'm just so bad at planning things. Like, I feel like I was just really scared that I wouldn't invite everyone I needed to invite, and I probably didn't invite everyone I needed to invite. But I'm sorry if I don't have you on social media or whatever, like, I'm sorry, but there's no way you were going to get invited because I literally only invited the people whose information that I had, right? So, yeah. Look who just barged in the room. Josiah? That's my camera bag. Thank you so much.
Cheese?
Yeah, it's for cheese. Look, say cheese.
Cheese.
Were you being nice to Nana?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go see Tetsy.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the mall. You're gonna behave? Who am I kidding? I know he's not gonna behave. Okay, so I put on his clothes. Now it's just time for me to actually do his hair. And you guys, doing Josiah's hair is an extreme sport. You guys don't even understand half of the things I go through. This is what it feels like to be doing Josiah's hair. So wish me luck, everyone. Are you all ready to go?
Yes.
You're ready? We're gonna go see Tetsy?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so I decided to put on nude today. These sweatpants I got from Urban Planet, and this long sleeve shirt I also got from Urban Planet too. And I don't know, I was just feeling like to be in a nude vibe or whatever, so yeah. I picked up my sister. Say hello.
Hi.
Josiah's not happy because he thought that she was going to bring Sophie and she didn't. But Sophie's in school right now, so you know. Josiah, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we're off to the mall. Say bye-bye, Dada. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Where?
Okay, so today,
Good morning. Good morning.
so this is his vlog.
Good morning.
Okay, so I didn't get to finish vlogging yesterday, but basically nothing really happened. So right now I'm going to get ready for a Shop 20 photo shoot that I have, and then probably cook some lunch. I don't know what I want to cook yet, but yeah. But you guys, I'm super excited because my ring light finally came. So I had bought a ring light before to, you know, do my videos and stuff, but it was really bad. Like the lighting was horrible. There was nowhere to really put it. Like it came with like a tripod, but it wasn't a good quality one, right? So I spent what, like $140 on a ring light. So I hope that it will actually be good. So I'll open that with you guys right now. Yeah, I'm really excited. I got it from Amazon, and hopefully my videos will be a bit better when it comes to the lighting and stuff. Okay, so it came in this really big box. Yeah, it's a big box. It's mommy's ring light.
Yeah, boss.
Yeah. Okay, so I just set it up. It's on right now. Yeah, so you can see the comparison with how tall I am and how tall this is. Okay, so while Josiah's sleeping, I'm just gonna take the opportunity to work out a little bit. You see he's taking a nap. This time is my me time. And you guys, I know he has a bed of his own, but honestly, I need him to sleep properly, so he sleeps the best when he's on my bed, so don't judge me. For my workout, of course, I'm wearing my Curve waist trainer, and you guys already know I'm wearing my water leggings. They are so comfortable. Like, you guys, this is the best combo. So I've been gaining a lot of weight, and I think it's because I've been, I don't know, like maybe stressed or whatever, but I cannot stop eating sweets. Like I eat sweets all the time, and I gained like 5 pounds, and I could see it in my pictures. So I'm gonna try my best to just drink lots of water and, I don't know, work out every day again, because I used to run every day and I don't do that anymore. So yeah, so I'm just gonna work out quickly before he wakes up. This ring light is, and this is not even like the brightest. So Josiah woke up from his nap, and I am going to make lunch with him, but this time he is going to make me lunch. He's going to make, yeah, what are you making?
Hello.
Tu vas faire quoi?
Quoi?
Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? You're gonna make a pizza. So he's gonna make me a pizza. So we'll see how this goes. Wow. Wow. You gonna make pizza? We have to put Quark Quack down, okay? We'll see Quark Quack after. So look, you want Quack Quack to help us? Okay, Quack Quack can help us. So you guys, I got this wood oven style pizza crust. Yeah, and I got this from Farm Boy, and it has 2 in it, so we can make 2 pizzas, but I think we're just gonna make 1. Jojo, you gonna help me make the pizza?
Pizza?
Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna put the stuff. So what are you gonna do? So we have our crust, right? We have our crust. What's next? Pizza sauce? Yeah. So you're gonna help mommy put pizza sauce on it. Look, Jug. So you're gonna take this and you're gonna put it here. And we're gonna spread it. Are you gonna do it? No, other hand. Let's put Quack Quack down. Okay. Go ahead. Take the, yeah. Good job. And you spread it. Wow. Wow, that's so nice. You guys, isn't he a natural? Perfect. I think that's good right there. Thank you, Bubs. Okay, what's next? No, but that's enough sauce. Look, we're gonna put the cheese next. You wanna put cheese next? Hmm? Come on, Judge. You guys, this is what I have to deal with. Okay, how about you do this? Do this. Spread it. Here, spread it. Spread it. Wow. Okay, come sit closer. Wow. Oopsies. Oopsies. Okay, now we're gonna put our cheese, right? So you can put as much cheese as you want. Oh, you put it in your mouth. We can't put this back in here. Only him. Okay, so now we're gonna, what's wrong? Look, you're gonna take cheese and you're just gonna put it all over. Go, put cheese. Wow. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Put more. No, here, I'll hold it for you. Just take and put it all over. Yes, all over. Take more. More. Put it on. Wow. Wow. You gonna put a little bit more?
Mm-hmm.
You guys, I love extra cheese on my pizzas, so I'm just gonna let him have fun. Yay, perfect. Now that we're done with the cheese, what's next? The vegetables. You want to put more pizza sauce? That's so much sauce. Why don't we just put these vegetables? So these are diced vegetables, and everything I got for the pizza, I got it from Farm Boys. Yeah. Leave it though. Okay, now your hands are gonna smell like onion though, but let's put it, this is a veggie pizza, so we're putting it all over. Yeah, all over. Here you go. Take more. Take more. Take it. Put it all here, all around. Yeah, more. Take more. Put it here. Just like that. Perfect! Oh my goodness. This pizza is gonna be so yummy.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
How does I need hands?
Oh, you wanna wash your hands?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna wash our hands. Yeah, he's right, because our hands smell like onions, right? We just touch onions. Okay, so we're gonna wash our hands and yep. Your pizza! So you just made your pizza?
Pizza.
Yeah. So we're gonna put it in the oven? You can't sneeze on the pizza. Oh my goodness. You can't do that. Well, thank God it's only us eating it. Are you going to, look how yummy. Are we gonna put it in the oven? Yeah, oven. Is ready. How exciting. Are you excited to eat your pizza? I don't know, I'm thinking about doing like a vlog session with Josiah cooking, because he really likes cooking stuff, so that'd be nice. He's like his dad. I don't know how to cook that well, but my fiance knows how to cook so well, so yeah. All right, well, this is where I'm going to finish the vlog. You're saying hi? Bless you. Him and his fake sneezing, I can't. Bless you. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I wanted to like videotape more of my day today, but honestly, like, I was just super busy. I just finished filming makeup look with what I have on right now, and it's from Pop of Love Cosmetics. And you guys, like, you can just see how beautiful this makeup looks. I love their products, so you guys will be seeing that very shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later.
Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take